Okay, guys, we're gonna lift it up. That button's for that. That button's for that. That button for that. That button's for that. That button's for that. Look at that. We got some buttons. Now it's time to see this thing in action. Hey guys, I got this right here. Okay. I didn't want to buy this, but if you watch another one, I bought this. I just didn't get them away. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, they're all on, except for that one. I'll start collecting some crowfish. I'll get an egg. Cheese. Cheese. And some potatoes. No banana. Ring. Who's there? Okay, yeah. And I got a blender machine. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go deliver this. Here you go, man. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's burning! It's burning! It's burning! Burn. No. Well, I'm waiting. Ding-ding. Okay. Whew. Some good meat. Cheese. Beans. Ooh. I'm gonna cook dinner and sit the dinner on this table. I already made this dinner. Okay. I'm gonna get some meat. Found it. Rice. This is the only rice left. Okay, I call this jalapeno cheese and rice steak. So you put rice, then some cheese. And then you put it in the oven. I'm waiting for this to be done to cook. And then you gotta put on a little bit of sauce. Ding ding! Okay. Now let's get a little bit more cheese. Okay, we got only a little bit more cheese in there. Oh, I can't reach it. Got some cheese. I'm gonna get some more cheese. Got the smoothie right here. Need another plate. Oh, I'm going hard taco. I'm going hard taco. I'm taking a little bit of cheese. Make it the hard taco. The easy taco. Guys, subscribe to my channel if you really like this. And excuse me, and if your kids like it a lot, subscribe to my channel too. I do lots of other stuff. You can watch my other building one where I build fish traps and I go put them out, then I check them. And there's one where I find a pig at the marsh and an alligator and everything at the marsh. And we're getting our duck bond for we just got it just in case it blows away on hurricane season. So that's why I made that video. And I've been wanting to do a little bit of jokes on some of my videos. What goes choo-choo on the end of a pencil? A train of thought. Okay, what do you call an old snowman? A puddle. Okay, there's one more joke. What do you call cheese or money that's not yours? A robber. Or this prisoner. Okay, I'm gonna do my Bible verse that I remember on my cooking video, on my cooking one where I bake cookies. I did this. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, Proverbs 3:5.